enough is enough. I mean, whatever happened to just taking whatever it is that you just want to take from a person because you want that thing abanayo and just leaving them, letting them go. You've already hurt this person by taking away their belongings. Why now go to an instant of wanting to take their lives? What happened to just letting the person go because you've already forced yourself on them? That is enough hurt as it is. Why now feel the need to want to take away impilo yakhe umuntu? Enough is enough, Banbaliti. Let us all come together and say Kwanele. We cannot emphasize enough of this GBV that is happening. And it all begins with us. It all starts with us. It all starts with us. You know, we all have children, most of us. You can imagine if leonto leyo izokwenzeka closest to you. How would you feel? It's happening from a distance for now, but you never know how close it is to you. So when do we put a standstill to this thing and say, Kwanele, whatever happened to people just taking whatever it is, because we cannot stop people from stealing from others. We cannot stop that. We can only encourage ukuthi, may we not envy izinto zabantu so much ukuthi size sifise ukuthi sibathathele zona. But now does it have to come to a point where one loses their lives because they were being robbed, because something was being taken from them, because somebody forced themselves on them and violated ubuntombi bakho and violated ubuwena and still want to take away your life? May we all preach enough is enough. We have the platforms to do so. We have a voice to do so. Sonke.